Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, body paint, and all sorts of makeup here on my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing a Krylon order that I placed. I'm going to be starting my 31 days of Halloween looks ahead of time just so I don't get too burnt or stressed out. So there were a lot of products that I wanted to order for some of the ideas that I had for my looks. So I went ahead and placed a Krylon order and I thought that I would unbox it for you guys. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. Also, I will link my social media in my description box below, and it will also pop up right down here for you. So let's hop into the unboxing. So I didn't order like a ton of stuff, but I thought it would just be fun to kind of show you guys what I got. So I already opened the box, and the first thing that I love about Krylon is they always send in their boxes these really cool magazines, and it has some really interesting stuff, some really cool looks in here, like I don't know, just to like get inspiration. I always save these and I think it would be really fun to maybe try to recreate some of these. Like these are so cool. I like this graffiti one. But yeah, so I really like that they always send little kind of things like this in their box. So the first thing that I ordered is, there's this look, I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want you to stay tuned for October. This is July right now, but this is how much of a head start I'm trying to get. So there is a look I wanted to do, and for that look I needed some like spray paint for wigs and hair, and I bought these two. So this one, this is called the Krylon Color Spray for hair and wigs for theater, movie, and TV, and I got the black shade. Mind you, this is washable. So if you wanted to spray it in your hair, you just wash it with soap and water. And then the second one I got was the Krylon Hairspray, and this is in the white shade. I already opened and used this black one for the first look that I have for the 31 Days of Halloween, and I have to say I really, really loved it. I did not use it for my hair. I used it for a prop, and it held really nicely. It didn't come off on my hands, and it easily washed off when I was washing my hands, and it didn't stain my sink at all. I did end up using like Clorox wipes, and it came off perfectly fine. The second thing that I got in my box, which I'm super excited about, this is a product called Artex. So what Artex is, well, let me show you. So there are two components. They come with these two. So this is the component A, and then you mix it with the component B. So this product is basically used for skin effects. If you wanted to create scars or wounds or just like some fleshy material, kind of like maybe like a Freddy Krueger kind of face, you can make stuff like that. So I want to say this is basically almost like a silicone, if not it is a silicone, but you would mix equal parts of these and then just apply it to your face, let it dry, and then when you want to remove it, you just simply pull it off. So it's really cool. It's very flexible. I'm really excited to use this product with something that I have in mind for Halloween. So I'm hoping that it turns out really cool, and I am very excited to try this product. The next thing I got is the Krylon Sealer. Oops, that's not the front. So this is just a sealer, and it looks like a giant bottle of nail polish pretty much, but what it is when you are working with scar wax or, you know, modeling wax or whatever, to get it to stick a little bit better and to take away that almost like, not fake looking, but you know how appliances and scar wax can get kind of like shiny. In my opinion, this kind of makes it not as shiny and it makes it look a little bit more realistic, and it's just really cool, and you just put it around the edges and it's like a sealer. And then you can also paint over top of your appliance or your scar wax. So I think this product is really nifty. I've used a sealer but not from Krylon. I believe I have a sealer from either Graftobian or Mayron, I can't remember, but I just wanted to give this a try, and this is actually a bigger bottle than the one that I have, so it will definitely last me a long time. The next thing I got in my box, which I have been looking for one of these for a really long time. I have a plastic one and it's just getting really dirty and old. I've had it for a really long time, so I wanted to get a new one, and I got this makeup mixing spatula and blending plate. So this is what the packaging looks like. You have your spatula and then you have your flat mixing plate right here. Perfect for when you want to create your own mix of colors, foundations, cream paints, even water-based paints. This is perfect, and I also wanted it for that Artex product so I can properly mix them together before applying it on my skin. So I think these plates really come in handy. They're really easy to wash, and I really wanted this, like, you know, I don't even know what this is made out of, like a metal material, so I thought it would be a lot easier to wash than my plastic one. So yeah, this will hopefully last me many years, and I love that it comes with a spatula because a spatula is always great to have. And then the last product, in order to get free shipping, I think I had to spend $75, and I had like a couple bucks that I needed. So I thought, hey, I'm sure they have brushes for like a couple dollars. So they did, and I picked up this brush. I'm gonna take it out of its packaging. This is called the Tori brush. It's a very small detail brush. So this is what it looks like. It's very nice and pointy. Perfect for those little details. I love it. So that was a couple bucks. I'm gonna put all of the pricing down in my description box for you guys. I don't believe I have the receipt on me that shows all the prices, so I'm gonna look all these up online and put them in my description box for you. So if you guys are interested, make sure that you check out my description box. So that was all the products that I bought. And then a second reason why I love Krylon so much is they always send you freebies. And so I was looking in my box and I was like, I didn't order this. And so it turns out this was a freebie. So they gave me this. It's called Color A Soft Cream. And it actually looks like it matches my skin tone. I don't know if you can kind of see this, but it's a cream makeup, which I've never tried this product before, so I'm super excited to try it. It even says, try me on it. So I was like, oh, cool. I thought it was really neat that they sent me this. Yeah, so that is, I know this is a kind of a short video. I just kind of wanted to show you what I got in my box, kind of all the things that I was thinking for when I start my 31 days of Halloween. Maybe this will give you guys some ideas. And if you didn't know that Krylon had a lot of these things, they legit have everything. Everything from makeup, regular makeup, to body paints, to special effects, to hair effects, to tooth effects. They have all kinds of stuff. So make sure to check out Krylon for all of your beauty and special effects and body painting needs. This is not a sponsored video. I just love Krylon, and I bought all of these with my own money. And make sure you stay tuned for future videos so you can see all these products that I use, and make sure that you check out my Instagram, because all of my still shots that I post of my looks, I list everything in my description of all the products I use, and I always tag the brands. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to see some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a part of my family already. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos on the sides. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.